JMMB, agicor, and baritone. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Aaron Ballantyne and you're watching Life According to Aaron. Now today's video is going to be about financial institutions. But before I get into it, let me start by saying that I am not a licensed financial advisor at the time of this video. So always be sure to seek the advice of a professional, right? You can visit a financial institution and speak to a professional financial advisor. So this video essentially is my take on financial institutions in Jamaica and my personal experience with them. So to better explain the difference between the financial institutions, because every financial institution essentially has something different or unique about them, something that's okay, this is JMMB and this is baritone and this is agicor and the list goes on. I will be using pizza franchises to explain this particular concept. So, for example, in Jamaica, I'll use three that we all should know: Little Caesars, Pizza Hut, and Domino's. Now, I know you guys have your own preferences, but this is just for the purpose of illustrating the point I want to bring across. So, Pizza Hut has something unique about it in the sense that it offers pasta and pizza patties, which the other two don't, right? Domino's, on the other hand, allows for you to purchase, you order online, so you can place your order online, and also offers coupons, the others don't, right? And then finally, Little Caesars offers the hot and ready service, where you can basically walk in and you order your pizza and you get it in a significantly shorter time than the other pizza franchises. So I'm using that example of the pizza franchises to illustrate how financial institutions are similar, in the sense that you'll have some financial institutions that offer certain things or certain features that others don't. So let's actually apply Jamaican financial institutions to that same example, right? Using my personal experience. And the three financial institutions that I'll be focusing on today are JMMB, agicor, and baritone. JMMB, if you're not already a client of JMMB, then what are you doing, first and foremost? And secondly, big up to the JMMB family, right? JMMB offers, for example, Moneyline, right? Moneyline is JMMB's online platform where you can buy and sell equities, buy and sell stocks, right? It is very useful for an investor who wants to either just monitor, because Moneyline doesn't only offer the ability to buy and sell stocks, it also offers the ability to monitor your accounts and to make transfers between different accounts, right? It's basically a one-stop shop for JMMB if it is that you have an account with them. But what makes Moneyline unique is that when you're buying and selling stocks, you are able to, for example, when new stocks are listed on the stock exchange, like Spur3, Edifocal, Fesco, right? Moneyline offers you the ability to buy in advance of the IPO officially being opened. So for example, if the IPO is opening on the 25th of March, you can buy it in advance of the opening date using JMMB's Moneyline. That's one of the advantages that using JMMB's Moneyline has over the other financial institutions. That's something that makes JMMB unique. Another thing is their customer service. Now, JMMB prioritizes making you feel like a member of their family. So they incorporate a family dynamic into how they interact with their customers and clients. So that's another thing that's unique to JMMB. Next is agicor. Now, what I think makes agicor unique, especially from an investor point of view, is it offers a wide range of unit trust instruments that you can invest in. They're based in real estate, they're based in corporate bonds, government bonds, the money market, And it's not just as well, it's not just it's not just denominated in Jamaican dollars. They have instruments that you can invest in that are based in US dollars as well, so you can diversify your investment portfolio that way as well if you wish, right? The second thing that Sagicor offers that other financial institutions don't is, I won't say their financial side, but they do offer it, is life insurance. And life insurance is a very powerful wealth building tool if you know how to use it right. So I would say that those are the things that are unique to Sagicor as well. I almost forgot to mention, their customer service is really good, and they offer the ability to do the majority of your business through email. So for example, when I want to get something done using Sagicor, I will often message or send an email to my financial advisor who I started with, who I signed up with, and I'll send instructions and I'll ask feedback based on what's going on in the process, and bing bang boom, I can get my business done from the comfort of my home without having to go in branch. That's another advantage I like where Sagicor is concerned. I don't have to visit the branch. I don't even have to log into a platform. I can simply just send an email to my advisor with specific instructions saying that this is what I want to get done, and best believe he or she will get it done for me. Lastly, Barito. Now, what drew me to Barito were their FX bond portfolio investment instrument and their capital growth. And why I say why Barito is on this list is because those investment instruments, in my opinion, based on my experience with them so far, are that they're consistent and they're powerful growth instruments. I don't remember what year it was. I think it was 2018 or 2019. But Barito, I think, was at the top of the list in terms of returns for their money market investment instrument. It's powerful, man. So I would say that for Barito. Not saying that the others aren't powerful as well, because they have their strengths. But when you look at the stats and the history, I said Barito would come out on top as one of the top financial institutions that offers investment instruments. Another thing as well, the customer service is really good. I remember one time in particular, not that I actually was in a hurry, but just to test how they interact with their clients who have a sense of urgency. I went into the branch and I made it a point to exhibit signs of me being in a hurry and things, just to see how they would respond to me. And I said, hey guys, I'm an existing client, I want to open another account, can I get this done in less than 5 minutes? And the person at the front referred me to somebody quick time, sat down with the person, and they assured me that because they already have my information on file, all I would have to do is sign my signature, XYZ place. And before I knew it, the new account that I wanted to open was open. They made the process so simple. I was out of there in less than 10 minutes. I would say that Barito as well works with their clients. They make sure that after they assess it, because financial institutions on a whole assess your needs based on your investment goals, but Barito sits down and makes sure that you have a clear understanding. Not that the rest don't, I'm just saying that Barito does this as well. You have a clear understanding of what it is that you're investing in, how it's going to be utilized, and how it's going to be reflected in your investment portfolio's growth over time. So I like that about these financial institutions. Let me start by saying first that I'm not putting each financial institution, I'm not pitting them against each other. I'm not saying that JMMB is better than Sagicor. I'm not saying that Sagicor is better than Barito. Oh, by the way, I forgot. Big up Sagicor family, big up Barito family as well. I'm not saying that one is inherently better than the other, and I'm not saying that these three are better than the rest in Jamaica. If it is that I want you to leave this video with anything, it would be choose the financial institution that's right for you. You don't have to use them all. You don't have to use every instrument that one offers, but choose the investment strategy and the financial institution that is specifically right for you. Don't look on anybody else. You have your own goals. You have your own idea of what your growth should look like or what you would want it to look like. Pick the financial institution that aligns with those goals. So for example, if you want to invest in stocks on your own and you want the freedom to do it at any point in time. So for example, let me go back to JMMB's money line. You can place a stock order as late as 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the night. It will process the next day, but you have the freedom to, of your own volition, when you're sitting down at night and you think, oh, it would be a good idea to invest in this stock before the market opens the next day, you can do that with Moneyline. If you're the type of investor that needs that, then pick a financial institution that offers an online platform that allows you to do that. JMMB is not the only one that offers it, but it's the first one that comes to mind because I've been using it for the duration of my investment journey, right? Pick the financial institution that aligns with your goals. If it is that you want aggressive growth, go for an institution that has a proven history or proven track record of giving consistent and above average growth. You want at the very least that your money is outperforming inflation, that your money doesn't lose too much value over time. You want to pick a financial institution, no matter which one you choose based on your risk appetite. You want to make sure that at the end of the day, no matter which one you choose, it outperforms inflation, or it outruns inflation, so to speak. Then you can focus on, okay, I want X amount or X percentage of growth, or no, but I don't want to be too risky, so let me stick to the less risky investment instruments. As long as it beats inflation, then you can start having that conversation, but that's what I want you to walk away with essentially. Some financial institutions offer different investment instruments. Some give you a different customer experience. Pick the one that is right for you. All right guys, that is it. That is the end of this video. If it is that you found the information helpful, if it is that I explained well and you understand that you have as a matter of fact, even if it just encourages you to want to start investing or to be more consistent in investing, whatever the case, if you found it helpful in any way, like the video. If it is that you think that somebody else might benefit from the information in this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. I'm going to endeavor, and I think I'm going to say this in every video, I'm going to endeavor to have this kind of content coming out consistently. So if it is that you want it to come straight to your phone, straight to your device, as soon as it's uploaded or as soon as it's available, make sure to subscribe. All right? That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.